Hello! I have something here for us to see. Can you guess what it is? Okay, fine, I'll tell you. So, I bought this drawing tablet for my sister. She wants to start drawing on the computer, and I got this Huion H420. This is a very cheap tablet. It's around $30. I have the link below so you can check it on Amazon, and it's really cool. It comes with this tablet and with a whole lot of stuff. So it comes here with a bag so you can put your tablet in it and be safe from scratches if you want to bring it around with you. We have here, everything comes in pretty neat packages, as you can see, and we have a glove, a drawing glove that you can use while drawing. This is it, so you won't smudge your tablet with sweat, for example, or just our natural oils. It will smudge tablets and it's not nice, so this glove will avoid that. And then there's also these gloves and cloth. And then yes, we have these gloves and a cloth to clean our tablet. This is all new for me. I've never seen it, but it's interesting if you want to give some cleanup on your tablet, because there's some oils on it. You can clean it, and there's also this thing. Let's see what it is. I think it's some kind of brush. Let me just... okay. Oh, yes, it's some kind of brush. See? It's really fluffy. So yes, another cleaning tool for your tablet. This is something that you probably won't use that much, but for $30, I mean, it's neat. And let's see the actual tablet then. As you can see, it is pretty small, so very portable if you're someone who tends to travel a lot but wants to do some drawing. It's perfect. You can put this on your bag, with your wool bag especially, and bring it with you. Now it has an active area of 4 inches per 2.23 inches. Very small, but for a beginner, perfect. Then of course there's our pen, that it's still closed, still sealed, as you can see. It comes with great packaging. Everything comes packed perfectly, so there's no accidents with it. So here it is, our pen, the usual, with 2 buttons as well that you can assign to whatever you want. For example, I usually put them as my undo button and my save button, so I can remember to do these things. And then there's more stuff. So we have our USB cable to connect to the computer, of course, 4 nibs that you can replace, plus the removal tool, the manuals, and your CD to install the drivers. I usually just download the drivers from the website since they tend to be more updated, but you can use the CD as well. So I think this is it. This is all the stuff that we have here. So now I'm going to test the tablet and see how good it is for drawing. Alright, so here we are. I installed my drivers. As I said, the tablet comes with a CD with the drivers for the tablet, or you can download them on their website. This time I actually used the CD, and a very interesting thing is that it comes with several drivers for several tablets. So if you have another Huion tablet, you can use this CD as well. So after you install the drivers, you have this settings window that you can use to customize your tablet. For example, as you can see, we have here the pen buttons that you can put anything you want, including keyboard keys that if you wish to. So for me, I have right now the right button, and then I have, for keyboard keys, I have Ctrl Z, so undo something on my drawing. Then you can also, you can change the pressure sensitivity of your pen, and you can test it right here. You can change this as you wish and test it on these windows before you go to your drawing software. And then finally you have advanced settings, and the first thing I want to mention here is the left hand option. This is very important for me because I'm left-handed, so having this option is really useful. So if you are left-handed, you have this option, you just need to tick it, and then your tablet will behave accordingly to the hand you're using. And finally, yes, here are the buttons, and you can assign any button that you want, any shortcut that you want to these buttons. You have the Control, Alt and Shift buttons, then you can just choose a letter, the Fs, anything you want. You can just assign these 3 keys to any shortcut you want. So let's just test our pen and tablet on our drawing software. So the lines, you can make very straight lines as you wish. Let me test out here the sensitivity, the pressure. Yes, I think it's really smooth. You really feel the pressure sensitivity here. I really like it. It's really smooth. The pen on the tablet, it feels really good. I really like it. I think it makes good lines. Now the only thing I feel right away is, well, I'm used to a bigger tablet and I need some time to adapt to a smaller size tablet. But this is not a very bad thing. Like I said, if you're not used to any other tablet, this will be great, but if you're used to something bigger, it will feel strange at the beginning. You'll want to go out of your tablet and you forget that you have actually something really small in front of you. But if I need to travel and go with just my PC and I want to draw as well, this can very easily fit my purse or my backpack, so it's really good if you need to travel and bring your tablet with you. Yes, I like it very much. And I have here this sketch that I've been meaning to finish for some time now. So I'm going to draw this with my Huion H420 and we'll see how will this look like. Will this be better or worse than I'm used to, or will it be the same? So let's see. Alright, so this is it. These are my tests and my drawings with it. This is our Huion 420. Like I said, this is a very good tablet if you're just beginning with, and if you're not sure if digital art is your thing yet, or financially you're just not in the place where you can spend $100 on a tablet, this is a good way to go. It's also very good for children, like I'm going to give this to my little sister. It's nice. And hopefully I will see you next week. Bye bye!